Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. What do we got here? Oh, is this my new Chinese heater? Let's see. Merry Christmas to me. Merry Christmas to me. It's my shiny red heater. Please don't ask me to sing. Oh no, I broke it. Oh no, I broke it more. Oh god, I'm gonna have to go in the house and use the potty. I'm so excited. Let me stick all of my goodies in there. Oh, there's my muffin. All the clampies, exhaust pipe, vent pipe, intake. So wait. Oh, okay, it's in there. Everything's in the kit. Plus a manual. I wonder if his cousin Jose and other cousin Jose B are around. But overall, so far, it looks nice. Cheap, but that's what I expected. Because it was cheap. It was $120 shipped to my door. Stay tuned. Alright, so where's my tractor battery? We'll see if that one's got any juice. We're gonna use this as my test bench. So, I guess we start with exhaust pipe. I guess let me start by sticking y'all somewhere. We're gonna stick the exhaust tube on. We're indoors, but we're outdoors. We're in an open metal carport. I'm only gonna run it for a few minutes, so don't get on my case about carbon monoxide. Oh, pretty decent length on the provided wire. We'll stick on our muffin. No clamps yet. We've got power. Alright, fuel. Oh, come on, that's all I got for diesels? Dang it. I need more than that. I gotta find my diesels. sure you guys want to go. Let's go for a walk. I ain't going to the store. What can I use? Prop stick. You know, it may be slow, but it sure beats me getting in the car and going to buy diesel. Oh, you pisser. Come on. I need more than that. That's got to be enough to get us going. Don't even remember picking that up. But apparently I did because it's not on the ground. I'm so confused. You all are too. I mean, you must be if you're watching my channel. Thanks for all your support. Hopefully we can start getting some more support soon, because, yeah. So it's nice. They give you a big enough spout on the tank where you don't need a funnel or nozzle. Okay. So now, I think I'm just going to hit power. Okay, you hold power. Blower comes on. And it shows fan spin. And I don't know what else it's showing. Is it fire mean glow plug? I don't think so. We'll find out. Ooh. 2 degrees Celsius in here, or out here. 10 volts. Where's my charger? Oh, the fuel pump finally kicked. Huh? Okay, let me find my charger. Alright, so we're charging. Pulling at 10 volts right now. It's meh, because it's sucking that down. It's still ice cold out of there, so she hasn't primed yet. The smoke's for me. And the latch is a little cattywampus. I'm sure I can fix that. Oh yeah, that's just popped out. Okay. What more can I expect for $119 shipped? Is it done priming? I don't know. Yeah, it ain't gonna be much. I don't have insulation, but between my electric dryer running and this near where I'm working with the pipe going out the door, I'll be happy. And for emergency, when the power goes out, I can run this off a battery and not have the generator run all night long. I don't see the indicator for a glow plug yet. Unless there is none. Unless, no, it's fuel injector. So I don't know. Off. Error 8. What is error 8? This one's got a pretty decent manual. Okay, error 8. Flame extinguishment. Check whether the oil line has any air. Yes, that's what I figured. How do you clear? Huh, I guess I'm going to read. Okay. It doesn't have a rotary knob. I don't know, maybe just hold it long enough. I got tired of reading. As you can see, I read for a long time. Come on, my nuts are starting to stick together from all the ice. Come on, get going. Power off, power on. On and off and up and down. All right, start pumping. Come on, get clicky clacking. Spend like 10 minutes staring at you. All right, I guess I'll pop its lid. Now we can see its jiggly bits. She's still got some air, but she's got fluid pumping. So, just got to work the rest of the air out. Hopefully the pump is on the right way. I don't know any of these things. I got to research it. But it's a lot quieter with that shell off, which is weird. You'd think the shell holding it tight would make it better, but apparently it makes it noisier. Ooh. We got heat. Hear that? Okay, so we got flame. starting to get some warmth. It's not stinky at all. And again, the exhaust, this is obviously sitting on my four-wheeler is not where it's going to be running. This is just to see if it actually works or if I got to ship it back. Okay. She's getting warm. Yeah, it is pretty flimsy, but what do you expect for a $119 ship to your door? Liking it. You can see the heat, right? Yeah. Everybody puts the video camera right up to it. Yeah, look. It's working. As you can see, it's working, right? Yeah. But it does feel nice. Alright, let me do some playing around and learning, and I'll come back. I gotta do some more online research, but I just put it on shutdown mode, and it seems to shut down well. Pump turns off, and the blower just keeps going till she cools off. I like it. So, yeah. I guess, till next time, folks. And it's probably about 5 degrees warmer in this crappy little spot. So I guess next time we come back, I'll have a thermometer in here, show you what we're starting with. And we'll run it for about a half hour, and see where we get. Stay tuned for the next episode, folks. 12 volt, 15 amp. I think it was $17 on Amazon. Yeah. So this old puppy, I'm probably going to mount it on the side. I don't know. I might take this fuel tank out of here and mount this inside and put a bigger tank, because I'm going to be doing waste oil. Stay tuned.